What good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made $500 trading BTCUSD in the forex market last week. So break down the trade, my thought process, and my reasoning, everything behind the logic of that trade. I'm going to break that down so we all can understand how I caught that beautiful trade on BTCUSD. But before we go, I want to recap something on our weekly episode, our challenge, the $10 account, trading the $10 account in 365 days. Let's quickly recap that before I dive into the trade breakdown. And there's something important I really want to show you guys over there. So let's get right into it. So this week on that particular account, we took just 2 trades on the account. Yes, only 2 trades. And all those trades were on the same pair, which is GBP USD. So the first trade I took on GU was on Tuesday, which came out as a loss. So yeah, on Tuesday I took this trade on GU. I don't know, I think I was looking at price from the lower time frame, so I didn't really have enough evidence to back up this trade. So I was looking at this point of interest that price was reacting from, broke down below here. So I think I was on the 1 minute time frame. I was on the 1 minute. My internet is kind of messing up right now. Good. So I was on the 1 minute time frame, and this is what I saw. So after we reacted from here, I saw the break of structure over here. As you can see, there was a break of structure, and then what's happened? Price retraced, and what came down here, broke below this low as well. So when price got here, I saw this reaction, and price has already moved a little from this reaction. So I just entered the trade, and I placed my stop loss far above here to at least give the trade some breathing space. So if it decides to retrace, at least I'll be a little bit safe. But price, they don't move down, as you can see. It just gave a little reaction and ran through my stop loss. So I think my major problem last week was I was expecting the market to sell, because if you realized, there was a massive gap on gold and GBP USD on the market open. So I was expecting market to sell and come and close those gaps. So even though price was not ready to go down yet, or has not given enough confirmation to go down yet, I was still trying to force the sell trades, trying to sell, and that's what really hurt me last week. Even though at the end of the week price sold, but I couldn't even capitalize on those opportunities. So this was the first trade. And on the second trade, I took on GBP USD this week, which was on Friday morning. So what did I see on Friday? So after the massive sell off from Thursday, as you can see, Thursday price sold massively. Right from above here, price sold massively to the downside. So after this massive sell off, this is what I saw. I saw price reacting from here. My SL above here, TP down below, and you can see price did not even give me hopes of moving into my direction. Just straight above, destroyed. So yeah, 2 losses I saw this week put our account at around 500 cents, so it's about $5. And to be honest, I don't know how to feel right now, because the challenge has been tough, and that's what has led me to this decision that I'm taking a break. Yeah, already I told you guys I stopped trading live account and I'm switching to demo trading. So that's what I've been doing. But for the sake of this challenge, I was still trading a challenge account. But now I think I have to add the challenge account, drop everything, and sit back, stand back, and correct my mistakes. So yeah, I'm taking a break. Not that I'm stopping trading, but I'm taking a break to correct my mistake, look at myself, do all the necessary things that are supposed to be done so I can come back better and continue this course. It's like I've been going in circles for a long time, and that's just what it is. So I'm just taking a break to better myself, improve, and I'll be back. Yeah. So that's it. This is the P&L for the account so far. This is the account balance and everything. So this is kind of a short, or would it be a short break? Well, I don't know, but it depends on the amount of work that I'll put in. So let's see when I'll be back. So that's it for this week. Now let's go straight into the BTC trade that gave us $500. All right, so on BTC, the trade was on Thursday. Good. So this is the trade right here on BTC. And what was the logic of this trade? So let's go on to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, when you zoom in this side on Thursday, what do you see? You realize that price swept this high. Price swept this particular high and broke below what? This candle. So this candle kind of became what? An order block where price can react from and move downwards. So on Thursday, this is what I saw. When price got here, I saw that there was a fair value gap right here overlapping this order block. So this like gave more confluence or more confirmation that this is a strong zone. So after I saw this price, this fair value gap, I also saw price reach into this order block zone, mitigating this fair value gap and still sweeping this high again. So that was everything I needed to know that this zone was a high probability zone that I can catch my trade off of. So this second sweep was everything that boosted my confidence and everything that, let me pay attention to BTC. There must be something going on. So when I saw this, I just jumped to what? The 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, I saw that okay, so when price swept and got into this fair value gap, this is what happened. It broke structure here and gave this order block right here. This order block right here. So this was all I needed to go into the trade. So I think my execution was on the 15 minutes. This was the low of that order block that price created on the 4-hour time frame, and this is the mitigation. So as you can see, on the 15 minutes we have a sweep of liquidity right here. Price came here, broke below, giving confirmation, and it came back into this zone, this order block zone in the 1-hour time frame. You can also see it on the 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes, this is all I needed, and that's all I saw to able to execute my trade. So I caught price somewhere around this here. My stop loss above the entire zone, and my TP for 1:5. So as you can see, this is a beautiful trade you caught on BTCUSD. Got done in, I took the trade, I think in the morning, somewhere in the morning, and TP was around 3 p.m. So that's it. That was a trade on BTC that made us 500. This is the profit right here. But The unfortunate thing about this trade is that it was on the demo account. So that $500 that we made is profits on a demo account, and it's not a reliable profit. So yeah, this is the trade we took. Yes, it was on a demo account. $500 cannot withdraw. So that's it. Regardless demo or not, we made $500 in profit, and the only difference is that we cannot withdraw. So yeah, that's it. I'm hoping that I get better soon. I hope I correct things faster in this demo phase of trading, and hopefully I get a pop account and start trading. And yes, the only way from here is to keep working, and we'll see what happens next. So that's it for this week. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section how your trading week was for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.